The 1931 Ford Model A wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of resilience, innovation, and mass mobility during a time when America needed it most. Introduced as the successor to the legendary Model T, the Model A represented a massive leap in design, engineering, and usability, proving that Ford could evolve with the times. By the time 1931 rolled around, this car had matured into its final production year. Boasting subtle refinements that made it the best and most polished version of the Model A series, it became a common sight on city streets and dusty rural roads alike, carrying families, farmers, and business owners across a rapidly transforming nation. Powering the 1931 Ford Model A was a 201 cubic inch, 3.3-liter inline four-cylinder engine that produced 40 horsepower and 128 pounds-ft of torque. While modest by today's standards, it was a significant upgrade from the Model T's engine, offering smoother operation, more reliable ignition, and improved speed capability. The top speed hovered around 65 miles per hour, and a return fuel economy in the range of 20 to 30 mpg. It came paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and utilized mechanical drum brakes on all 4 wheels, a feature that enhanced stopping power for the era. The Model A also featured a conventional clutch and gear, allowing drivers more control over the car, a departure from the simplistic planetary gear system used in the Model T. Compared to its competitors like the Chevrolet Series, AE Independence, and the Plymouth, the 1931 Model A held its own with superior build quality and vast parts availability. It came in numerous body styles, coupes, sedans, pickups, and roadsters catering to various customer needs. The Model A's affordability, combined with Ford's massive production capability, made it one of the most accessible and influential vehicles of the early 20th century. It helped bridge the automotive gap between the mechanical feel of pre-war cars and the more refined designs of the 1930s. In historical context, the Model A played a critical role in democratizing car ownership. It marked a turning point in American industry by introducing a car that was simple, reliable, and attractive, yet still affordable for the average family. Its role in history remains undisputed, an icon of blue-collar endurance and engineering efficiency. Looking ahead, the Model A could see new life through electrified museum-quality restorations and educational exhibits, as automotive enthusiasts and EV startups seek to merge history with future tech. The 1931 Ford Model A may inspire generations to explore how simple mechanics and modern sustainability can coexist in one unforgettable machine.